Hey, Mom.
How are you?
Good. Just got back. I think we might be getting married today.
How's it going?
Good. I guess I'm getting married today.
It sounds like it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have it at our place, right?
Yeah, it's probably gonna be 6 now. And we were gonna live stream it on Facebook, so I can even bring my. All right, let's go get married. So this is it. This is the setup we got.
The bride is running a few minutes late, but please stand by. She'll be down momentarily.
Ryan and Megan come to give themselves to one another in this holy covenant. So I'll ask you both now in the presence of God and these people who are here and all hundreds of people who are watching you live on social media to declare your intention to enter into union with each other through the grace of Jesus Christ. When I received Megan's text today, hey, can we do the wedding today? Honestly, there was very little that brought me more joy about my day today than to be able to come and do this with the two of you.
Hi, everybody.